Well, it's the 14th of June, and everything's looking pretty nice out there in the fields. We've just had about 3 days of intermittent showers here. Sun came out pretty nice this afternoon, so I thought it was a good chance to take a closer look at some of the crops from up above. And so, took a little flight out the driveway there, watched the neighbor spraying his wheat crop. Wheat crops are looking really nice. Mine's a little later than most, so it's a little thin looking from up above, but I have no doubt it'll fill in eventually. The sky was looking good today. Lots of little clouds around. We were pretty much under clouds and showers up till midday. The sun broke through about mid-afternoon, and from then on, it's all looking good. They're talking about another day of intermittent showers tomorrow, so I guess my sprayer will stay parked, hitched onto the tractor, waiting to go. Anyway, I'll take a little flight, get a real good close-up look at the wheat field just south of my yard. It's not mine, but it sure looks nice. I wanted to get down pretty close to the ground here and get a close-up look at the wheat rows south of my yard. They're obviously not seeded with my equipment. You can see they're straight as an arrow and even. That's all GPS and auto steer. So I got down pretty low and cruised along at, I forget, I guess, well, maximum speed, which is probably about 25 miles an hour, if I recall. I was a little shocked to look at the altitude reading and see that at one point I was 5 feet below the point where I actually took off from in the yard. So I must have been pretty close to the ground. But anyway, no harm done, and I got a pretty good close-up look at the crops growing there. Pretty impressive. And I finished up with a short flight over the old pasture, looking down at the native prairie grass that's doing quite well in all this rain. There's the Red River Special thrashing machine up on the hill. And that's pretty much the end of the video. So hope you found it interesting, and stay tuned for more from the Roosty 6 channel.